Right, so I forgot to tell you how to export the data so you can submit it for the assignment. When you're done with all your work, you simply go to File and Export, then Export to PDF. So that will generate a PDF for you. And here you have it. So as many as possible pages goes. And you come to File again and Save As. It asks you the location. I'll put it in Downloads, and I'll call it Code 5 PDF. That's what I'm calling mine, and I'll save. So when I come back to this place, I already have my Code 5 PDF, and I'll double click, and here you are able to see what you did. So you'll be able to submit to me properly by sharing via WhatsApp. So since it's in PDF, that's it. And if you noticed, I have added filter. So for some of your work, try to add filter so that we can filter by as many as possible things. So see filter by accessories, you can see how everything is changing. Because accessories belong to technology, everything you've got here, you see them, appliances, art, etc., etc. And we can also filter by year. So say 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. So I just simple stuff. And to clear that, see this small clear button, click it and everything will be cleared. So this is a different kind of filter you can use in your own case. You can use to put slicer so that we can filter by setting parameters. You pick slicers and then you add whatever you want to add. You want to filter by, so if for example I want to filter by market, so I will have everything here. I will say Africa, show me everything from Africa. So everything you see here, Africa, Asia Pacific, Europe, Latin America, US and Canada. I mean, you can put virtually your parameter of choice in a filter. So sometimes the filter can be like this, which is if you go to filter settings, you can change how you want the filter to look like. Slicer settings, and this is in vertical list. You say no, you want it in ties, it will look like this. So it's going to be in ties, and yeah, you can choose any of them: Africa, Europe, US, Canada, anyone you like. And if you don't like it in ties, you can say I want it in drop down. So just like what I've got here, this one is drop down, and click on it, choose anyone you like. However, you notice that this is a different thing entirely, different filter entirely. And I like it. It is called what we call? We call chiclet slicer. So chiclet slicer. You won't have it now, but you just go to get more visual, those three dots, and click on get more visuals. Then you can search. Just search for it. Search chiclet slicer. You see it there. And you just click it. You click on it. You will have what's called add. Use the add button. I have it down there already, so I don't think it's going to duplicate it. So you see, the report already contains a copy of the visual version. Blah 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 blah. Do you want to update it? I'll say yes, update. It doesn't matter, it's the same version. Import successful. So this is what you get to. Okay. and you have that slider here. So when you click on it, where is it? So it has changed it to chiclets for me. The way this chiclets work, so this is it. You can also make it chiclet slider. I like chiclet slider a lot. So if you have some lengths of whatever you want to do, you can do the number of rows and columns you want to have in it. For example, you see I've got 3 columns, 2 rows here. So if I say I want to put everything in 1 row, so I'll just come to the settings, general, number of columns, then number of columns will become 5, 1, 4, 5. So you see now everything is in a single row. A number of rows within 1. It's good in 1 row. So you can have that tiny slider somewhere up or anywhere in your dashboard. So yeah, that's the part I actually forgot and wanted to update you about. So try to put slider in there, the assignment will be submitting to me, so that I can filter by different categories and see different results. And yeah, you can also use a background image for your chart. So you have to be careful so it doesn't look messed up. I faded this as much as possible. I still prefer to be able to fade it more. So you can see Amazon, something behind the background there. And yeah, plot area background. This is where you find it. Plot area background. I put the Amazon logo and I make it fill, and I said the transparency should be, so 100% transparency doesn't help. 99, 98, yeah, maybe 97, 96, or maybe stop it at 97. So yeah, catch up on these and add it to the rest of the class.